Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. This is our insect light trap. For our insect light trap, we can have a range from 120 to 220 voltage. According to your country, we can set up different voltage for you. However, after the voltage has been set, we need to transform from a low voltage to a high voltage. The reason for that is we need to make sure that the bugs inside, that the flies, the different insects inside are getting killed instantly. Now, in order to do that, it needs to have a higher voltage. Standard on the market, the voltage range is about 1500 to 2500 volts. But for our products, we can make sure that the voltage goes all the way to 4500 voltage, and the range will fluctuate within 5%. These are our voltage transformers. What they will do is they will turn a low voltage, say 110 or 220 according to different countries, and they will transform it into a very high voltage. Now, we need to test each of our transformers to check out if they are ready to be used and if they're up to standard. Now, this one right here indicates that it is 4.5, which is 4500 volts. So this item is good. And we're going to check for all of our products before we ship them out to you.